In this video, I'll show you how to create a template in Asana. First, sign in to your Asana account and open the project you want to use as the basis for your template. Before creating it, make sure the project includes all of the sections, tasks, custom fields, and workflows that you want to reuse in future projects. Next, click the Customize button in the upper right corner of the project. Scroll through the customization panel until you find Save as Template, then click it to continue. After that, enter a name for your template and add a description if you'd like to help identify its purpose. Review the project structure one more time to make sure everything is organized the way you want, then save the template. Asana will create a reusable version of the project while leaving your original project unchanged. Now, whenever you need to create a similar project, click Create, select Project, and choose Use a Template. Find the template you just created, select it, and Asana will generate a new project with the same sections, tasks, and settings, allowing you to customize it for your new work. Finally, return to your template whenever your workflow changes. Keeping your templates updated ensures every new project starts with the latest tasks, processes, and organization, helping your team save time and stay consistent. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a template in Asana. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.